Having had a consultation with Saskia, discussing our hair, looking at the texture, we can clearly see that the hair is coloured, chemically processed, and leaving the hair feeling a little dry and brittle on the ends. Saskia has a medium texture of hair, which means we are going to use the CPR Peptide 18 range. This range is an intensive hair care system formulated to give instant results on the hair. Strengthening, repairing, and protecting, that's going to add softness, shine, and smoothness when we've blow dried the hair. The CPR Peptide 18 is loaded with peptides and proteins that are made up of amino acids. The small peptides easily penetrate the hair follicle and restock the building blocks of the hair. This increase in protein, collagen, moisture, and boosting the hair's strength reduces the split ends. The CPR Peptide 18 is made up using the Lauga Nord 5 technology, and active algae ingredients and extracts deliver the rich nutrients and minerals and vitamins to the scalp cells and the hair. Using this superpower of natural algae, it results in exceptionally soft and shiny hair. We're going to cleanse the hair with the SEAHYDRATE shampoo. This gently cleanses, boosting hydration, repairing damage, restoring the hair from within. The SEAHYDRATE shampoo contains the Lauga Nord 5 peptides, hyaluronic acid, thermoactive proteins, and 7 conditioning agents, giving this hair instant conditioning, smoothness, and softness in the results. We're now going to use the SEAHYDRATE shampoo. This one in particular, we can see here, is designed for medium and coarse hair. There is also a fine hair texture shampoo, but for Saskia's hair type, the medium texture shampoo is better because it has a little more weight. So as we apply this product, we are going to apply a small amount of product because it is very rich in texture. I massage through my hands and then massaging the product into the scalp first before working our way down to the mid-lengths and ends.